I bought and tested these non-computerized washing machines so you don't have to waste your money. If you're looking for something simple yet effective for your laundry needs, you come to the right place. Let's dive into my top 5 picks that balance functionality and affordability. Product number 1, underwear washing machine. I recently got my hands on the SCB STUY Go underwear washing machine, and let me tell you, it has been a game changer for my laundry routine. This compact wonder boasts a 1.5-liter capacity, making it perfect for delicate items like underwear and baby clothes. Imagine being able to do laundry in your apartment, dorm, or even while you're traveling. The first time I used it, I was a bit skeptical, but I quickly realized how efficient it was. With its 4,000 mAh rechargeable battery and LED digital touchscreen, I could easily monitor the washing process and remaining power. The experience was surprisingly satisfying. I filled the machine with water, up to 2/3 full as advised, added my clothes, and selected the 5-minute mode for a quick refresh. Within moments, the mini washer was humming away, and I could already see the dirt lifting away. The high-speed motor at 2,000 RPM was no joke. It cleaned my clothes quickly and gently. After washing, I noticed the blue light sterilization feature, which gave me peace of mind, especially when washing my baby's clothes. Next up is the Costway portable washing machine, a twin tub model that has quickly become a staple in my laundry routine. With a total capacity of 26 pounds, including an 18 pounds washing tub and an 8 pounds spin tub, this compact powerhouse is perfect for anyone living in a dorm or small apartment. I was particularly impressed by how it fits snugly in my laundry area without taking up too much space. Using it was a breeze. The first time I loaded it with clothes, I appreciated the transparent lid that let me monitor the washing process. The powerful motor delivers 280 W washing power and 140 W for spinning, allowing me to wash efficiently without disturbing the piece around me. I set the timer to wash my clothes for 10 minutes, then switched to the spin cycle for 5 minutes. While it doesn't dry clothes completely, it does get them about 90% dry, which is quite impressive given the size. I simply hung my laundry in the sun afterward, and it dried quickly. Product number 3, Costway portable twin tub washer in a sleek blue and white design. It shares many similarities with the previous model, but is tailored for those who prefer a bit of color in their laundry room. With the same impressive 26 pounds capacity, this model has been a reliable companion for my laundry needs. The experience was quite similar to the gray model. Filling it up with clothes and water felt intuitive. I love the dual tub system, which allows me to separate colors from whites or delicate fabrics without hassle. The powerful motor makes short work of stains, and I appreciate the timer controls that let me customize the washing and spinning time. The 0 to 15 minutes washing timer and 0 to 5 minutes spin timer provide flexibility depending on the fabric type. In terms of pros and cons, the capacity and ease of use are huge advantages. The transparent lid is a nice touch, making it easy to check on my clothes mid-cycle. However, like the gray model, it does require manual draining. Some users may find the need for sun drying inconvenient. Product number 4, Costway portable mini washing machine. If you're looking for something even more compact, the Costway portable mini washing machine might just be your best bet. With a washing capacity of 5.5 pounds and a sleek design, it's perfect for those of us with very limited space, like in dorms or RVs. I was curious to see how it could perform with such a small capacity, so I decided to give it a try. Using this mini machine was as simple as it gets. I loaded it up with a few small items, filled it with water, and set the timer. The rotary control made it easy to adjust the wash time, and I loved how it came with a drain tube to easily release dirty water afterward. I found that the 10-minute wash time was more than enough for my lighter loads, and the spin dryer worked well to remove excess water. The clear lid was a great feature, allowing me to monitor the wash cycle closely. Pros include its portability and ease of operation. It's lightweight, making it easy to move around, and it doesn't consume much energy. However, the small capacity means you'll likely need to do multiple loads for a full laundry day, which can be a bit time-consuming. Product number 5, portable washing machine 15-liter with a spin basket. Last but not least, let's talk about the HSS D10 portable washing machine with a 15-liter capacity and a handy spin basket. This machine is perfect for delicate laundry items like underwear and socks. I was intrigued because of its compact size and versatility, making it an ideal option for small apartments or even for taking on trips. When I first tried it, I loaded it with a few pairs of socks and some lightweight clothing. The operation was straightforward. I set the timer for 10 minutes and let it do its job. The ABS body felt sturdy, and the 3 washing modes, 3, 5, and 10 minutes, allowed me to customize the washing experience based on the load. After washing, the spin basket efficiently removed excess water, which made air drying a breeze. On the positive side, the compact design means you can place it almost anywhere, and it does a great job for small loads. The gentle cleaning performance was a standout feature, especially for delicate fabrics. However, it's important to note that it may not suit larger laundry needs, so you'll need to adjust your washing routine accordingly. In conclusion, whether you're short on space or just need a reliable washing solution, these non-computerized washing machines have got you covered. Each product offers unique features that cater to different needs. Choose the one that best fits your lifestyle, and you'll never look back on laundry day.